everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back filming another What's in My Bag video as a teacher. Today, I'll be sharing with you the essentials that I always bring with me as a college instructor. The bag that I'm currently using is a Tory Burch bag, and this one is actually a replica bag of their tote bag. But I really love the quality of this bag because it is spacious and practical, because I can fit my folder in documents, and it is also perfect for work. Now let's go through the essentials that I always bring with me to work. The first essential is my mental speech candy. I always keep this with me, especially before starting my class. I also bring my sunglasses to protect my eyes since I wear contact lenses on a daily basis. The one that I'm using is from Jordana. Next, I have two pouches that contain some of my important essentials. The first pouch is my hygiene kit. I know as a woman, it's important for me to always be prepared. Inside this pouch, I have 3 different types of pads depending on my needs. I also carry with me my toothpaste as well as my toothbrush. And I also don't forget to bring a lotion from Havana. The second pouch contains my teaching materials, and honestly, I really love this pouch because it keeps everything organized. Inside, I have a correction tape, which is definitely a must-have for me. I also have my highlighter, which is very useful for research and reviewing documents. Of course, I always bring 3 pens, 2 black ball pens, and 1 red pen to check my student outputs. I also carry my PowerPoint pointer, or I call this one a clicker. It helps me present my slides easily without having to touch my laptop all the time. It also has an on and off button on the side, which makes it convenient. Next, I have my cute pink stapler, a whiteboard marker, and an extra staple wire just in case I need them. I also keep an extra pen and pencil, as well as a rubber band, some pens, and lastly my USB, where I save my important files and presentations. Those are all the teaching materials that I use almost every day. Moving on to the next essential. I always bring an umbrella with me since I live in a tropical country where the weather can suddenly change. This helps keep me protected at all times. Another important essential for me is my medicine kit. It's more convenient to carry basic medicines with me rather than going to the clinic every time I need something. Inside are some basic medicines that may be useful during emergency times. I also never leave home without my coin purse. By the way, this was actually gifted to me by my dear students during my birthday last year, which makes it extra special to me. It's from CLN, which is a local brand here in the Philippines and one of my favorite brands. I also bring my wallet, and it's from the same brand. I love this wallet because it is simple and chic. I can keep all of my important IDs and cards inside. I also carry a hair clip and a hairbrush in case I need to fix or tie my hair during the day. Of course, I never forget my charger since my phone is one of my everyday essentials to communicate people around me. Also, to stay hygienic, I also carry my handy-dandy alcohol from Green Cross. Another thing, I always bring my Lenovo AirPods because I love listening to music during my break time. Last but definitely not least are my favorite lippies. I currently have 2 lippies with me. The first one is from You, which is a Korean brand in the shade Plum. I don't usually wear this one because the shade is a bit too bold for me, and as you can see that, guys. But this one right here is my all-time favorite lipstick from Dazzle Me. This is in a shade 01, and if you happen to purchase one from a local drugstore, I highly recommend this lipstick. Please bear with me. At this point, I was watching the MGI 2026 pageant to keep me posted. So anyhow, as for my gadgets, I don't usually place them inside my tote bag anymore because there's no extra space left. what I usually do is I carry a separate bag for my laptop and iPad. I only bring my iPad when needed, but most of the time I bring my laptop since all of my files are stored there. And yes, there you have it. That's everything inside my bag as a college instructor. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, as well as subscribe in our channel. And yes, I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!